Hello! I would like to welcome you to the Laramy-K Optician Works Training Center where, well, it's still kind of chilly out here in the studio.
I'm so cold that I can use my nose drippings as a pair of chopsticks.
Today we are going to talk about what happens when you need to take an OC or a progressive fitting height with a frame that doesn't have any demo lenses, and how we can avoid this.
Whoa!
Kansi, the customer, has brought us a beautiful vintage frame that she bought on the internet, and she wants to put progressives in it, except there are no demo lenses in this. So what do? Let me show you two possible techniques that'll get you what you need for a fitting height. One is just plain a piece of tape. And clear tape doesn't seem all that popular anymore. I could use packing tape, that's still usually clear, but usually this opaque stuff works just fine as well. I would put my tape sticky side out away from your customer. That will not make them appreciate you very much. So one possible technique is using tape. The other possible technique is using the wonderful, reliable, old-school Hilco seg gauge, and that is all we need. I can then say, go ahead and put those on. Her beautiful vintage frame, looking right at me, doing all that stuff that we've been going over on how to get a good progressive fitting height. Looking right at me, and I can dot. Perfect. And I can look, get that a little bit straighter in there for you. Good. And I'm looking directly at her, looking at her pupil center, reading the seg gauge. I've got 21, 22, 23. Perfect. That's all I need. Thanks. Record it, write it down, write her up, put in a beautiful set of lenses, and make a happy customer and a happy boss when you make a great sale. What you don't want to do is try holding up a PD stick. That is just plain a no-go.
What the hell are you thinking?
There is no way to hold it in place to assure an accurate reading. You may also find some gizmo PD sticks, like this one from IoT, that has a vertical measuring function, which actually works quite well. The other thing that happens fairly regularly is, of course, that your customer decides that they want sunglasses, prescription sunglasses. So they want a progressive lens, and they put that on, and you go to take your progressive fitting height, and you can't even see their eye back there. What do? Well, the exact same techniques that we just talked about for her beautiful vintage frame. Either use tape, sticky side out, or use your seg gauge. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching us on Facebook, please do give us a like. Watching us on YouTube, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there in the corner, and make sure that whatever measurement you get from that piece of tape or the seg gauge turns into a lens that comes from Laramy-K. I'll see you again next week.